Alright, so let's say we're given the following information. A circle has a circumference of 44 pi centimeters. And we're given these two questions. What is the circle's exact diameter? And what is the circle's exact radius? So a couple things we need to remember before we dive into these questions. What is circumference? Well, circumference is just our distance around the edge of our circle. Its circumference is equal to pi times diameter, pi times radius. And remember, our diameter is just our distance all the way across through the center, so that's D. Center to the outside is our radius, and our distance all the way around, again, that's our circumference. So let's go ahead and look at question A. Diameter. Since we're looking for diameter, it probably makes the most sense to use our equation that already has diameter in it. And a key word here that we want to look at is that this says exact diameter. When you see exact, when we're talking about circles, generally that means we're going to keep our answer in terms of pi. In other words, we're not going to round pi, we're not going to write pi 7, we're just going to write it as pi. So we know that the circumference is 44 pi, and we're looking for the diameter. So I'm going to take this equation right here, and I'm going to just substitute in 44 pi in for C. And that's going to be equal to pi times whatever the diameter is. And right here I've just set myself up a nice little one-step equation. Pi times D equals 44 pi. Well, to just get rid of that multiplied pi, I divide by pi. Pi, so 44 is divide both sides by 2 pi to cancel. So those pi's go away. That's 1. 2 over 2 is also 1. Over here, pi divided by pi, that's 1. And 44 divided by 2, well, that's just 22. So we get 22 equals R, or radius equals 22 centimeters. And the cool thing is, if we have one of these, we automatically have the other one. We just have to do one little step. So if I already knew the diameter was 44 and radius was half of that, well, 44 divided by 2, that's going to give me 22. If I already knew the radius of 22 and I wanted to find the diameter, I could just do 22 times 2, or 44.